Hey guys, so here's this 52-inch Harbor Breeze classic style ceiling fan. Yeah, I got another one actually, because just about a month ago I had a newer version 52-inch matte white Harbor Breeze classic style, and it's the same exact one as this one. Yeah. The other one I had a longer downward, and it's not as long as this one. It's about up to here. But this one came with a longer downward, actually. Yeah, this one's longer than the other one. Yeah, this one's from 2015. The other one I had was from 2012. So this one's 3 years younger than the other one. And it's a little newer. Yeah. I got this fan from the people who lives across the street from our friend's house. Those people that has the Hunter Castleton, Harbor Breeze Bellhaven, Harbor Breeze Crosswinds, etc. Yeah, it's that house. And this fan is actually not from there, it's from their daughter's house. And they were replacing a fan there. And they thought of me restoring fans for habitat, so they decided to give it to me, and now I have it to restore. And I'm really glad they did that, because it's much better than throwing the fan away. Yeah. And yeah, this fan's very dusty. Very dirty on both sides. And yeah, this blade has a lot of dust on it. It's full of dust. Yeah, this one's definitely dirtier than the other one. The other one is a little bit dirty, but it's a little cleaner than this one. This one's dirtier. Yeah, and I gotta clean it. And also it has a bad capacitor, because high speed is slow. But medium and low works fine, works perfectly fine. It's just normal. But it's just high speed that's slow, so I gotta get a new capacitor for this fan. And then the other one I had works well on all 3 speeds, and the capacitor was still good, so I didn't have to get a new one. But this one does, so yeah. I'm just making a before video of this fan, how it looks, how dirty it is, and how slow it is. And I'm gonna make another one later. Show the blades on this fan. Yeah, the blade brackets are dirty too. It does have quick connect blades. It's dusty on the top, and inside of the motor's dusty as well. And the canopy got a little paint on too. Yeah, gotta fix that. Now I'm fixing this fan, so I'm about to turn it on, and let's do high. This fan's not quiet. This fan's not loud. Has a quiet motor. That's good. And it doesn't wobble that bad. It only wobbles just a tiny bit. When I first turned this fan on, it was already set to high speed. And this fan was used on high the most. And it was on a high ceiling. And nobody couldn't reach the pull chain since there's nothing on it and it's too short. And I'm sure it was on one switch. And only controls one speed, which is high. And it's slow. Yeah, I might attach a Harbor Breeze fan pull chain soon. I haven't got a new one yet. Right now it's just nothing on it. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I might. And also got new mounting bracket screws too, because this fan did not come with any. I got 4 new ones, and I painted them in white to match the fan. And it works. Here's medium. Yeah, high speed's just a little bit faster than medium, but not fast, due to the capacitor being bad. Yep, the capacitor needs to be replaced. Again, low and medium looks perfectly fine, and high speed's slow. It's almost like medium speed, but just a tiny faster than medium. And here's off. So yeah, this is the 52-inch Harbor Breeze Classic style cylinder fan that I will restore. And I'm gonna make another video of this fan once I'm done. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys later and goodbye.